Hi guys! Today, I will show you how to create custom story on Snapchat using your Android phone. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So go to Snapchat. So I have two ways to create custom story on Snapchat. Create your story, then click send to, then click new story on the upper right corner. A pop-up menu will be shown. Click Custom Story, Friends Can Post. Select the Snapchat friends that may able to see and post to the custom story. Then click Create Story. So let's name the story. Then click Save. So the second way is to create custom privacy story. So go to your Snapchat profile. Then go to the story you want to customize. Then tap the three dots beside the story. Then click Story Settings. At My Story, tap Custom. Then select the friends that you want to hide the story from. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!